Welcome. Let's dive into the world of Microsoft Power Platform, a suite of tools designed to streamline operations and drive business growth. Discover how it can transform collaboration, data analysis, and task automation, allowing you to focus on delivering value to your customers.
The Microsoft Power Platform is a low-code/no-code suite that simplifies business processes. It includes Power BI for data visualization, Power Apps for custom applications, Power Automate for workflow automation, and Power Virtual Agents for building chatbots.
Power Automate streamlines workflows by automating repetitive tasks like approvals and notifications. This reduces errors and saves time, allowing businesses to focus on more strategic activities and ensuring timely follow-up on important tasks.
Power BI enhances decision-making by turning data into interactive dashboards. It helps monitor KPIs, identify inefficiencies, and predict trends, providing a clearer view of performance and enabling data-driven actions to optimize operations.
Power Apps empowers users to create custom apps for unique business needs. Whether it's field service management or inventory tracking, the low-code environment allows quick development, reducing dependency on IT teams and addressing specific challenges.
Power Virtual Agents enhance engagement by providing instant support through intelligent chatbots. These bots answer inquiries, guide users, and improve efficiency by reducing response times, seamlessly integrating into various platforms for better communication.
To get started with Microsoft Power Platform, identify pain points in your operations. Determine which manual processes could benefit from automation or data insights, and assess which Power Platform components best address your needs.
Begin with small, high-impact projects and gradually scale up. Encourage collaboration among teams to use Power Platform tools for innovation and problem-solving, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and operational excellence.
The Microsoft Power Platform is a game changer for organizations aiming to streamline operations. By automating workflows and analyzing data effectively, businesses can operate more efficiently and make better informed decisions.
Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, the Power Platform provides the tools needed to drive transformation. It helps achieve operational excellence by building custom solutions and improving engagement with intelligent chatbots.
Start exploring the Power Platform today to unlock your organization's full potential. Embrace the tools that empower your teams to innovate, solve problems, and deliver exceptional value to your customers.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video has inspired you to leverage Microsoft Power Platform for your business. Embrace the future of streamlined operations and data-driven decision-making to achieve success and growth.